Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the file not downloading error on Gumroad in 2026. Are you clicking download but nothing happens? Have you purchased a product or the digital products from the Gumroad platform but you download it and nothing happens? In today's video, I'll show you the exact reasons why a file may not download on the Gumroad once you brought it and how to fix this issue step by step. Now let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Gumroad account. And you can do that by going to your web browser or the application in your mobile device. And there you're going to make sure to log in with your Gumroad account. Once you log in, you're going to check the file size. After you make the purchase, large files may take time to start downloading. So check if the file size is small or big, and then check again. The second step is to clear the browser's cache. Old cache files can interfere with download. So you're going to click on the three dots in your web browser here in the top right corner, depends on the browser, and you're going to select delete browsing data. So after that, you're going to make sure to choose this cached images and files and then click on clear now. And this will clear all the corrupted cache and all cache files that can interfere with the downloads. You can also disable the antivirus or firewall temporarily. Sometimes security programs block downloads automatically. So change the download location and make sure your device has enough storage space. And the fifth step is to try mobile on another device. This helps determine if the issue is device specific. And that's it. Re-upload the product file if customer reports repeated download failure. And if you like this video and found it helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.